In terms of Rangahau, I've looked deeper into philosophical beliefs of my practices. So therefore, tūtaua, what are the philosophical practices that guide my practice and therefore guide my life? So what are my connections back to atua? And through the tūtaua practice, it teaches you that there's 8 levels, and at each level there's an atua, and each atua guides that certain part of the practice. So for me in the wānanga space, it's about if we're practitioners, then which atua guide our philosophical beliefs and our systems and the way we behave. And that you can move those through the different concepts and get an understanding of how they help you, and they actually they teach you how to behave and better and show you best practice actually by understanding those. Yeah, so I'm still learning about those things. I'm better equipped now in that space, and now it's just really trying to pass that on to the next generation, the tauira. One of the things that I've had the privilege of being part of was the Masters program. First cohort from Manulani, and big mihi to Manulani, and those minds that came up with the concept of the wakahiringa. And it's in that program, it's about us as practitioners believing in what we have practiced for years and years and years, but not only that, but walking in our light and walking in our truths of the practice. Yeah, so one of the things, and if you look at the rākau itself, there's many branches. So one of the things that branched off from the wakahiringa was tāne rākau ora. And I wrote my exegesis on tāne rākau ora, which is the well-being of us as men. Looking back into ancient concepts of tāne, looking at the many different names for tāne, tāne Te Wānanga, tāne whakapiripiri, tāne nuiarangi, tāne wehewehe, tāne puku o te kaki, all his different concepts and characteristics, and then I've tried to move them into a now time to see how those things can bring back a well-being for us as men. So I wrote about that. So that's where, the Rangahau is taking me.